Class 4, today's topic is India's landforms. India's landforms. India is a big and beautiful country. We know the very well. The different parts of India is a different site. It's because and our North India mainly we look at the North Indian map. Look at this map. This part of the India's it is mountain areas. It is totally mountain areas, and after that this part is the desert area, and this part is the ocean or sea based areas. So this is our country, and it's a much more variety in our country. We look at these things: mountains, valley, plains, plateaus, and desert. The map here show India's main landforms and water bodies. As you can see, the water bodies means how much rivers and oceans are located in a place. That is called a water bodies. India has ocean and seas to the east. Seas to the east. East means when the sun is rise. That is called the east side. Based on the landforms, India's land may be divided into 6 border regions. One is northern part is mountain regions, and plains, after that plains, and the third desert, and the peninsular plateau are the coastal plains and the island. So you practice this map in your copy and properly labeling the maps. Okay, first you just proper color this map also. Okay, now next are northern mountains. Where is it? Is it in a number of high mountain range from the northern boundary of India? Most of this is the Karakoram range. That is called the Karakoram range. Okay, look at this portion. This portion is Karakoram range. It is in Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalaya and the Outer Himalayas. The Great Himalayas has some world's highest peak. Among this, Mount Everest. So this part is the Great Himalayas. This part is the mainly located in Nepal area, Nepal, China. This is the border in India and China, India and Nepal border side, and these portions are located in Mount Everest and many other peaks, many other highest peak. That is Kanchenjunga is the Indian third highest peak. The peak of the high mountains are covered with the glacier. Glacier is a melting snow and slowly down, moves in down in slope. As glacier move to the lower, warmer parts of mountains, they melt and resulting water often from rivers. So we just look at this portion. These portions have many rivers in these portions. There is Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna. This rivers is how this rivers is flowed due to this glacier. So this glacier melting snow, they are slow down, and they are up, and after that they are come from plains area, and they are called a different name of different rivers. So next is they melt and next is how the peoples live in this mountain area. They are difficult built road because due to this ups and downs, hilly area and mainly rocky area, that is not build a proper road. So next is railway and town in the mountains. So few people live here. So that is why, and mainly the atmosphere or environment is not very cool, very proper in this area. This area mainly covered in snow. So that is why the peoples in not live in proper. And due to snow, the crops is not grow very well. So that is why the peoples are live in, very few peoples live in here. Okay, and next in northern plains. So northern plains is, that is, this part is northern plains. The northern plains are lowland to south of the Himalaya. These plains are very fertile, as because we know that very well. The side of river plain, this plain side of river based, and this site is very fertile due to this river, because this river carries mud, and they are just deposit this mud in this site. So that is why this soil is very fertile for due to this river, and very good crops in grown in this area. So that is why this areas people are these areas soil is very fertile. This soil is called the alluvial soil, and this side is peoples live in very peoples mainly live in this area. And next in the desert area, we know that very well. Where is desert in the northern western India. Where is it? Northern western part, this section is desert area. Okay, this section, how the people's what is the sand dunes? Sand dunes means the sand gets a blow around the wind. Due to wind, the sand is blow means floated, and this this floated sand called sand dunes. This desert gets a very little rain, and so it has a very few plants. Life in the desert life is very hard life. Water is some places are not rain or not in water, so this portions people's is crops is not grown. And camels is the important animals for these people living a desert area, so people's is not living properly in these areas. And main food in this desert area is and jowar, bajra, and also the and some nuts is a main foods in this area. And our tourist visit place in this area are Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur. Many tourists come to see the desert and its cities. Peninsular Plateau. Where is it? This is in the southern northern plains. This is the Plateau area, and look at this color. This color is the Plateau area's color, and this area mainly northern plains is a peninsula. It has a Bay of Bengal on its east. The Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Where is it? Bay of Bengal is this. This is the east side of Bay of Bengal, and Arabian Sea's western side. So this is the portions, that is Vindhya and Satapura hills ranges here, these portions. And Plateau region is rocky and much is good for farming. Some places have black soil, which is good for growing cotton. The Plateau is rich natural resources like a forest and coal. So we know that very well. Coal is a minerals, and it much more coals mines in there. And last and least is the coastal plain area. Coastal plains is along the eastern and western coast of India. This eastern coastal plains is wider than the western coastal plain, and like between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. Eastern Ghats, where is it? Eastern Ghat and Eastern Ghat and Western. This is the portions, the Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat. This look at this area. This is the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats are located. So you follow the map properly and you understand all the places. I hope so. So please study in carefully this chapter. This chapter is page number 24 is the starting page, and 28, 29. You look at this question answer also. You follow the question answer and complete your question answer in your exercise copy. And there is some meanings, and you also learn this chapters and spelling or meaning also. Okay, word meaning. So I hope so you learn and enjoy yourself. Thank you.